What's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Today, got a package in the mail from Bruce to Professor Dave. Not really sure what's in here. He told me to expect a package. I'm gonna open it up on YouTube today so you guys can see what some of my subscribers are sending me. So hopefully it's internet appropriate. So every now and then I do get mail shipped to me from subscribers, and I really do appreciate it. This is usually how, some people send me some mods and stuff like that, and they want me to check things out and just give you my honest opinion about what's going on. So Bruce did tell me that he was sending a package to me, and let's go ahead and check out what we got here. So, geez, Bruce, how many layers of tape did you use on this thing? Alright, I'm going to try and hold this to where you guys can see it. Oh, check that out. We got some LED light bulbs. He was telling me a little bit about this. I talked to him some about the fog lamps in the car. They kind of have a yellowish tint to them, and how I didn't really like that too much compared to the HID bulbs. And looks like he sent me some LEDs. So hopefully those are going to be some white ones that match the HIDs, the factory HIDs. And some of these other ones, let's see. Looks like I may have some LED light bulbs for the fog lamps, and then LED lights for my high beams. Because for those of you guys that don't remember, Bruce is actually the one that sent me the spider headlight kit for my car, and he sent them with blue HID bulbs in them. And I haven't replaced those bulbs or anything like that. So those bulbs have been completely useless to me anytime that I needed them during the dark, because they're blue, like police car LED light blue, so I haven't been able to use them for anything. That's awesome, Bruce. Thanks for that. End of the box. Kind of a big package. I don't know what we got here. Oh, no way. No way. Now, when I bought my car, one of the things that I really wanted was the sport package, and it wasn't necessarily just for the spoiler or anything like that. I wanted the sport package just because I wanted paddle shifters, and I didn't buy the sport package for my car because I didn't want to spend the $1,200 for it, and I was trying to keep things really minimal at the time, and it's kind of been a regret of mine ever since I bought the car. And I just always wanted the paddle shifters, and Bruce just hooked it up. He just hooked it up. Bruce, this is freaking awesome. That's the paddle shifters for the car, guys. Oh my God, Bruce, this is awesome. I'm so stoked about this. Thank you so much, man. I mean, I'm gonna have to look at the install on this, but this looks like the entire rear bezel housing to the steering wheel. So this is the back of the steering wheel, the part that faces the instrument cluster, and this is where all the radio controls and everything like that are normally at. And then you got the paddle shifters that mount off of this as well. Wow. Looks like we got an install video coming up here, guys, because I'm excited to get this put into the car. This is so awesome, Bruce. Thank you so much. Wow. Just wow. Don't know what to say, man. I mean, you hooked me up with some spider headlights, and now we're sitting here with paddle shifters for my car, man. That's absolutely I have no way to express the gratitude I have for what you just sent me here. This is awesome, man. Thank you so much. I'm gonna start researching how to install this right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get this installed in the car, and I'll do the how-to video on how to, you know, remove the steering wheel and get all this installed. That way you guys can go through this process with me too. And you know, I've seen these kits before. They're a couple $100 for a paddle shifter kit for your car, but you know, we'll see how easy this install is, and we'll figure out if it's worth something for those of you that don't have the paddle shifter, if that's something that you want to buy and install your car later. But I know for sure you're going to need the taser, because you need the taser to turn on the paddle shifters in the computer. But without that, it doesn't matter if you plug the paddle shifters in or not. They're not going to work. So I mean, I already got the taser. Looks like I got all the pieces to do the install here. So, you know, awesome, Bruce. Thank you so much for this gift, and you know, I owe you one, man. Just tell me whatever it is that you need, and I'll get you back. And you know, for those of you guys that don't know Bruce, he does have a nitrous all-wheel drive Charger. You know, we keep going back and forth talking about one day maybe he and I are going to race here, but you know, we're trying to coordinate things, but we live about 14 hours apart from each other here. We'll figure it out one day. But you know, just go ahead and you know, give him a follow. He's on Instagram, N20_ all-wheel drive, and you know, let him know. Thanks for helping contribute to the channel here and giving us more content to look at. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. I got to do some research on figuring out how to get this installed.